My name is Sujit Xavier, and I'm a fourth-year PhD student here at Osgoode Hall Law School. And I'm one of the fellows of the Critical Research Lab in Law and Society. The Critical Research Lab in Law and Society brings together scholars in disciplines ranging from law, sociology, anthropology, and other social science to work with artists working in digital media, documentary, film, and photography. The lab itself, for me personally, is a forum where we can conduct interdisciplinary research. And through the Critical Research Lab, we have numerous different projects, including the Challenging Convention Speaker Series, the Emerging Scholars Workshops, and the Interactive Skills Workshops. The Emerging Scholars Workshop brings together interdisciplinary scholars ranging from law, sociology, anthropology, together to workshop their work. Participants were asked to submit abstracts, which was peer-reviewed by myself and Igor Goncharov, another fellow here at the Critical Research Lab. And we selected 12 participants out of many different applicants based on the merits of their abstracts. And these scholars were selected additionally based on their potential contribution to the group. And thus far we have 12 candidates, and we have commenced workshopping each other's works, or scholarships rather. The first session was held in January, where we managed to workshop 2 pieces or scholarly interventions by 2 lawyers. And the second session additionally included 2 pieces or scholarships by 2 lawyers, one PhD student. One was a PhD student and the other was a faculty member here at Osgoode Hall Law School. For the month of March, we will be workshopping 3 papers by students here at Osgoode. The first paper is by an interdisciplinary scholar who works in law and society. The second paper is by a master's student, and the third paper is the work of a PhD student here. And we hope that the workshops will provide a venue for emerging scholars to interact with each other and interact with each other's works or scholarship. Another initiative that we run through the Critical Research Lab Laboratory in Law and Society is the Interactive Skills Workshop. The Interactive Skills Workshops are designed to allow graduate students to develop their skills, particularly as they try to enter a dynamic and innovative market in teaching. These skills workshops are designed by fellow graduate students, such as myself, and they're designed in such a way that tries to bring or tries to identify key areas in which our skills need to be honed to prepare us for our future careers. In this regard, we've had 2 interactive skills workshops. During the first interactive skills workshop, Professor Sonia Lawrence and Professor Bruce Ryder helped us think about how to present our work. Particularly within social settings. Often as graduate students, we find ourselves in situations where we're asked to describe what we do or what we are researching on. And this particular moment presents difficulties, given the fact that you've been thinking about difficult and often complicated theoretical issues. And to sum all of that up within 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes is a difficult task. And so Sonia and Bruce asked us to think about quick and easy ways to identify what it is that you're working on and how can you summarize your research interventions eloquently and clearly to someone who is not well versed with your research or the areas in which you operate. The second interactive skills workshop, led by Professor Shin Imai, asked graduate students to really think about what it is that they want to teach and how it is that they want to teach their future students. In the counter-pedagogy workshop, graduate students from Osgoode and master's students and graduate students from other disciplines were asked to really think about how they saw their future students and how do they want to engage with their future students. One of the central tenets of this workshop was to interrogate our assumptions about what it means to be a student. Do we really see students as being receptors, or do we see students as agents who come to us with different sociocultural backgrounds? We hope to continue these initiatives next year, and we will be putting out a call for applications in the summer, early fall, to solicit further participation in the Emerging Scholars Workshops.